Hyatt Regency, Long Beach. If you found this video helpful, or if you want to help support our channel so we can make quality content, please support us on Patreon. We'll have a link below. Thanks for watching.
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside. We got a closet with a safe, bag holder, got a couple of hangers, got some artwork in the wall. Got pretty nice lights with a sink that is raised above the counter. Hair dryer, towels, toilet paper, elongated toilet, which is nice for the big people. Also have a shower head that moves up and down in a fully tiled large shower. Room for 2 or 3. All right, it's got a little alcove corner. It's got a globe light with a phone. Looks like we have 2 phones. We got a cordless phone here. They give you a little writing pad and a pencil. Got the remote going on. All right, we've got lights on either side of the bed. We've got a charger here so that you could go ahead and charge your phones. I don't think it comes with a family, but I've got family here. We also have a little globe light. It's got all the stuff that's going on here with the prices. Comes with a complimentary bottle of water for elite members. If you're not elite, you pay $4 for 1 bottle of water. Ouch. Ice container with some glasses. It's got a coffee maker with free coffee and free creamer. And a big, giant TV. Oh my gosh. And that's a curved screen TV. Look, bigger than my son's wingspan, and it's pretty big. All right, here we have a beautiful model on the Chase Lounge. Comes with 3 pillows, a little desk here so that you can read or write, and it comes with another lamp. And if you look outside, it comes with a beautiful view of the fountain. And here at the hotel, they have a heated pool and a jacuzzi that also has poolside service so you can get lunch and drinks. And what do they got, son? What's next door? Oh, they got a white noise maker. Oh, wow. What do we think of that, son? That's an alarm clock that you can plug in an old school iPod right there. Whoa. Do we like it?
Yeah, so she's off.
All right.
Off on there.
Oh, and I didn't even see this. Why don't you sit in the chair? We got a pretty relaxing, comfortable chair here that swivels.
And it was right there.
What's that? An office chair? And a trash can. So it's got a king-size bed, but it is an inner spring bed, so you may have some tossing and turning while you sleep, but the pillows are pretty soft. Maybe if you want a soft sleep, just stack all your pillows in a row and lay on the pillows.
It comes with one soap. They have the soap. It's Lego soap. It has white one.
It's got Lego brick soap?
Yeah.
That is so nice.
They just take a video of this, Daddy.
It's got shampoo. It's got body wash. And it has conditioner. So if you're coming with family, just know that they charge for everything. If you want to get a fold-away or trundle bed, they charge $25 for that. They have some real reasonable eggs for $13 for 2 eggs. Or a stack of pancakes is $13, or a piece of French toast is $12. That's a deal. So check it out. Awesome. How many minutes? Game systems, you got the Wii and the Xbox One in the lobby.